My video guide will help you to get rid of the Rain tab browser hijacker, the unwanted extension for the Google Chrome browser. The website related to it is raintab.com. The developers of this extension claim that you can get a unique gloomy tab by installing the Rain tab extension. Another problem is that this particular extension is spread through integration with some free applications. So in many cases, customers download and install this Rain tab extension pretty unintentionally. This is why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted software that should be removed from the computer. Rain tab extension is obviously the new tab replacer. So right now, before the attack of this extension, you open the new browser tab and you see the blank tab. So you may surf the internet directly through the Google. But in reality, this Rain tab extension may hijack some of the browser settings. At least the new tab parameter may be changed, that's for sure, and some of such browser extensions may also amend the default homepage, default search engine, and also they may display numerous ads not related to the sites that you visit. In the light of this information, we strongly advise that you do not tolerate this Rain tab extension in your Google Chrome browser. If this Rain tab was mistakenly added into your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. This is what happens after the Rain tab extension is installed. You open the blank tab and you see this Rain tab instead. Even though it doesn't look as if this Rain tab hijacks your search engine, we still recommend you to get rid of it as soon as possible, considering the fact that it was not your decision to install it. So, access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this Rain tab extension, disable and remove the extension completely. This should be sufficient enough. Now, I also recommend you to additionally research your device with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start carefully researching your system to detect and eliminate all other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.